It becomes a nightmare to the aspirants. It had become a new nightmare for me. मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा दुह स्वप्न था ये, मेरे लिए नाइटमेयर था, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था ये. So this has all come from the experience only, referring to those mistakes which are pretty common, which aspirants make. मैंने भी करा है, मैं ये मेरे अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ. This has come from experience. This is not something which I have listened to somebody else and then I'm blubbering it out. This is all from my experience. I have taken up newspaper in the first instance and I paid the price. Another reason, आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो ना, it contains basically your polity part, which is your राज व्यवस्था. Second comes economy, which is your अर्थ व्यवस्था, and third comes your environment and geography, which becomes your भूगोल and पर्यावरण. ये 4 टॉपिक का रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली डेली कर पाना बिकम्स हॉचपॉच फॉर अस. हमारा दिमाग इतना प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाएगा एट अ टाइम. मे बी इट कैन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन वी हैव गिवन एनफ टू द बेसिक्स, बट नॉट एट प्रेजेंट. इट बिकम्स अ नाइटमेयर. और इसी समय ऐसा होता है कि एस्पिरेंट्स फ्रस्ट्रेशन में जाता है. मिस्टेक दैट यू हैव टू अवॉइड इज टू अवॉइड पिकिंग अप न्यूज़पेपर, बीट एनी न्यूज़पेपर यार, बीट हिंदू. For that matter, in Hindi, it might be Jansatta or Hindustan or Dainik Jagran, anything. Please avoid it at any cost. आज अगर आप अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर रहे हैं तो, unless you are done with the basics, don't pick up any newspapers.
So let's start subject wise, prelims and mains, and just tell people what they're not supposed to do, which most of us will end up doing because of information overload, like you said, and a lot of information asymmetric. The things
Exactly.
we should be critically looking at.
As everybody knows, this paper is split into 3 stages. 3 stage होते हैं. The first one is prelims. Unless you don't clear the prelims, you are not moving to the next stage, which is mains. Prelims is known as प्रारंभिक परीक्षा. The mains becomes your मुख्य परीक्षा, and then comes your, once you clear the mains, there is a cutoff. You clear that cutoff according to your category wise, and then comes the interview part, which is known as मौखिक परीक्षा, which is your personality development. और आपका overall क्या एक आपका जो होता है ना कि how you are perceived as a person. So ये 3 stages होते हैं, and every stage has its own what do you say, has its own characteristics. उनके कुछ अलग तरीके की characteristics होती हैं, which we have to try to adapt, and then only we can go ahead with it. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे प्रीलिम्स की. तो मैं अभी ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, मैं सबसे पहले ये डील करूंगा कि आपको क्या नहीं करना है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर 2024 पीपल हु आर अटेम्प्टिंग इन 24, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट इन 25. तो आप 24 को कर रहे हैं या 25 को कर रहे हैं, डजंट मैटर. आपके लिए ये सबसे मुख्य बात हो जाती है कि आपको प्रीलिम्स, स्पेशली प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी में आपको क्या नहीं करना है. पहली चीज, मल्टीपल वीडियोस देखना बंद करिए टॉपर्स के. नॉट ओनली टॉपर्स, आप स्टिक टू वन टॉपर, स्टिक टू वन टॉपर. आप 15 टॉपर को सुन करके भी, इवन इफ दे आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग, आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इफ दे आर सेइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स, स्टिल यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम. तो मेरा ये कहना है, स्टिक टू एटलीस्ट 1 और मैक्सिमम 2, नॉट मोर देन दैट. That is going to waste your time. So that was one. Second, avoid education influencers. Inki education influencers. These people have no authority. These people have no authenticity. They have never tried the paper. Even if they have tried, they have left in mid. So that is the biggest challenge which I have seen.
Okay.
So what I want from you guys, first, stick to one topper or maximum 2. Second, avoid education influencers at any cost. और प्लीज तीसरी चीज, आप अभी अपनी तैयारी शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, यू आर इनटू द स्टार्टिंग फेज, प्लीज स्टॉप लुकिंग एट द इंटरव्यूज ऑफ द टॉपर्स, जो मॉक इंटरव्यूज होते हैं. You go on watching multiple YouTube channels and you try watching different people. See, those people have gone there after clearing their prelims, then they have cleared their mains. Your journey is still at the prelims level. You don't have to go and read about what interview is all about. And most of the time these mock interviews do not do justice to the actual interview. क्योंकि जो रियलिटी होती है इंटरव्यू की और जो मॉक में होता है, ऐसे अपार्ट्स हैं, पोल्स अपार्ट. There is no clear cut what do you say, correlation between them. They might be on the same line but at different instances. They are like parallel lines, they'll meet at infinity. but we don't have that much of time. तो ये 3 चीजें, तो सबसे पहले आप ग्राउंड रूल बना लीजिएगा कि आपको ज्यादा टॉपर्स को नहीं सुनना है. इट वुड बी लिमिटेड टू 1 और मैक्सिमम 2. सेकंड, अवॉइड एजुकेशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एट एनी कॉस्ट. At any cost. You cannot be doing that. And third, avoid mock interviews of toppers, or for that matter any person who has topped any examination. Once you clear the penultimate stage of before that interview, you can go on, but not before that. These are the 3 ground rules. अब आते हैं स्टडी वाले एस्पेक्ट में. फर्स्ट वन, do not keep multiple sources for any subject, be it polity, be it history, be it economy, be it environment, anything. Do not keep multiple sources, because unless your basics are not clear, if you are not thorough with your basics, that is a challenge to you. That was the 4th submission, what you don't have to do. We'll come on the sources also. I'm not saying that those are the only sources that you can refer to, but whatever sources you are referring for, let's say for polity, if I suggest Lakshmikant, or for that matter you are referring to some other book, please stick to that book, because basics are same everywhere. That won't change. 2 + 2 अगर 4 इस किताब में है, तो दूसरी की लिखी किताब में भी 2 + 2 4 ही होगा. वो चेंज नहीं होता है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी हम्बल सबमिशन फ्रॉम माय साइड टू यू गाइस, कि आप ये गलती नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. 5वीं मिस्टेक जो सबसे ज्यादा लोग करते हैं, यू स्ट्रेट अवे गो ऑन एंड पिक अप अ पेपर, न्यूज़पेपर. आपको ये गलती नहीं करनी है. डू नॉट पिक अप न्यूज़पेपर. आज अगर आप तैयारी शुरू कर रहे हैं, डू नॉट पिक अप न्यूज़पेपर. न्यूज़पेपर इज नॉट फॉर यू गाइस टुडे. Okay, so fifth mistake that you have to avoid is to avoid picking up newspaper, be it any newspaper, yaar. Be it Hindu, for that matter in Hindi it might be Jansatta or Hindustan or Dainik Jagran, anything. Please avoid it at any cost. आज अगर आप अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर रहे हैं तो, unless you are done with the basics, don't pick up any newspapers. These are the 5 major mistakes that people do. ये आपको at any cost avoid करना है. I hope CD team is making a note of the same, so that can be given to people who are listening to this entire session. That might be useful.
Aditya,
Yes.
these are the cardinal rules, but a lot of time, and I've seen personally, people do because of FOMO and because of so much clutter on the internet. You know, we do fall for certain traps.
Yes.
It would be useful to kind of give a month-wise, you know, or at least milestone-wise strategy. Ki boss,
Yes,
these are the basic.
that I'll come for sure. But at first I was only referring to those mistakes which are pretty common, which aspirants make. मैंने भी करा है. मैं ये मेरे अपने experience से बता रहा हूँ. This has come from experience. This is not something which I have listened to somebody else and then I'm blubbering it out. This is all from my experience. I have taken up newspaper in the first instance and I paid the price. Okay. My second attempt was a failure by 2 point something marks. That was only because I have given too much time to my newspapers and my basics were not over. Okay.
Can you give me one example of how this becomes a nightmare? मतलब what if I pick up a newspaper, I don't know the basics? ये कितना hodgepodge कैसे हो जाता है?
बहुत ज्यादा hodgepodge होता है. I'll tell you कि rather than getting into any example, let's take a realistic test case. अगर anybody is having access to newspaper, वो खोल लीजिए and आप जो भी relevant topics हैं वो आप पढ़ लीजिए. And I'm guaranteeing you कि unless you are done with the basics, you won't cover that part. Now let's take an example. Let's say every bi-monthly there is a meeting in MPC, that is Monetary Policy Committee. Okay. There is a committee which reviews the bank rate. That is to be followed for most of the economic institutions or financial institution, like banks follow the same. So मेरा ये कहना है कि if you don't know what is monetary policy committee, तो आप newspaper पढ़ने के बाद either you go on retrospectively, go and read MPC, then its mandate, what are its constituent, 3 people from the banking side, 3 people from the government nominated side. ये चीजें, it takes time. And it is a nightmare. Then comes the part where government try to keep the bank rate accommodative or neutral. If you don't know the meaning of neutral or accommodative, you really don't know what to expect from that particular piece of article that you are referring in the newspaper. It becomes a nightmare to the aspirants. It had become a new nightmare for me. मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा दुह स्वप्न था ये, मेरे लिए नाइटमेयर था, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था ये. So this has all come from the experience only. Now let's take up the second challenge. What are Ramsar sites? Let's say one fine morning, some state government has declared this particular wetland as a Ramsar site. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि रामसर साइट क्या होता है. आइदर आई हैव टू अगेन गो रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली, कि मैं पीछे जाऊं, उसके बारे में पूरा का पूरा पढ़ूं. इट बिकम्स अ नाइटमेयर. व्हाई? अनदर रीजन. आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो ना, इट कंटेन्स बेसिकली योर पॉलिटी पार्ट, विच इज योर राज व्यवस्था. सेकेंड कम्स इकोनॉमी, विच इज योर अर्थ व्यवस्था. एंड थर्ड कम्स योर इन्वायरमेंट एंड ज्योग्राफी, विच बिकम्स योर भूगोल एंड पर्यावरण. ये चार टॉपिक का रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली डेली कर पाना बिकम्स हॉचपॉच फॉर अस. हमारा दिमाग इतना प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाएगा एट अ टाइम. मे बी इट कैन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन वी हैव गिवन एनफ टू द बेसिक्स, बट नॉट एट प्रेजेंट. इट बिकम्स अ नाइटमेयर. और इसी समय ऐसा होता है कि एस्पिरेंट्स फ्रस्ट्रेशन में जाता है, तैयारी छोड़ने की बात करता है, एंड देन कम्स द एजुकेशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो उनको बहका सकते हैं.
Makes sense.
ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है.
Perfect.
I can take up another example. Many a times you read newspapers that a certain governor has kept certain bills pending. Now we don't even know why those particular bills have been kept pending, when we literally know that in democracy, this is a representative democracy. This is not direct democracy. We elect people who are our representatives. They debate on certain topics. उनको कुछ मुद्दों पर वो पार्लियामेंट में डिबेट करते हैं, वाद विवाद करते हैं. Then they present the bill. That bill goes to the other house, which is the अन्य सदन, wherever it has been given on, या तो लोकसभा या तो राज्यसभा. Then it goes to the president. In a state case, it goes from the house to the governor, which is Rajyapal. Now हमको क्या लगता है कि now if state has cleared the bill for the assent of the governor और राज्यपाल का तो यही फर्ज होना चाहिए कि फिर वो ओके कर दें. बट हमें पता नहीं ना कि देर आर 5 conditions, which are 5 conditions when Rajyapal can keep the bills pending. They can reserve the bills for themselves. Why? Because there is a certain clause in constitution which is the mandated power from the constitutional authority of the constitution, that this is being given to Rajyapal, कि राज्यपाल ऐसा कर सकते हैं. अब हमें पता ही नहीं है, हम फ्रस्ट्रेट होते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हो गया. तो ये तीन उदाहरण दे करके, विद दीज 3 एग्जांपल्स, आई एम सिंपली ट्राइंग टू मेक द पॉइंट्स क्लियर कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूं ऐसा नहीं है कि आंख बंद करके चूंकि मैंने क्लियर कर लिया है, नाउ आई हैव बिकम अ अथॉरिटी. नो, इट्स नॉट एन अथॉरिटी. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Something which I have experienced, that's what I am presenting to the people, and that is what which
this is the reason why I requested you to give examples, because the same thing is what we do in our courses with you, right? With your strategic sessions, we try to make people aware of these blind spots. So पिछले 1 महीने में कहाँ फंस गए? It's a question. Now let's
exactly.
go for
Now I am coming to the prelims. What are the basic sources and how to go about it?